started drawing the cartoons, and then when I was drawing cartoons, I started looking at cartoons, and certain artists have got a quality which is more than just a funny drawing, you know. They've actually got a quality to them. People like Steinberg and Andre Francois, in particular, those two. And then came across a picture book, Crocodile Tears, which I believe is still in print, and the text is in English and in French. And I thought, I can do this, you know, I tell stories, I can do this. I came up with the image first. At the time I was drawing quite a lot of elephants, and my paintings of different kinds were very influenced by Paul Klee. At that period, and sometimes still now, I like his idea of drawing. Just taking a line for a walk is a wonderful way of thinking of drawing, I think. So I had the paintings and the elephant. One day I had the elephant, and I did the painting on the elephant, and there was Elmer. And it's as if he just tells me things that he's been up to, and he said, "Did I ever tell you about the time when I said, "No, what was that then, Elmer?" You know? And he tells me, and then at the end he said, "I think you better do a book about that."